Welcome to Lumora Anglenix.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Lumora Anglenix. Today's practice is a super useful real-life situation, ordering food at a restaurant. Imagine two friends, Emily and Alex, out for dinner at a casual American spot. All natural American English, relaxed pace, idioms, and polite expressions. Listen closely, pause and repeat each line, and shadow the conversation. Let's get started. Emily: Hi Alex. Thanks for picking this place. It looks great. Have you been here before? Alex: Yeah, a couple of times. The burgers are amazing, and the atmosphere is really chill. I think you'll love it. Emily: Cool, I'm starving. Should we get a table inside or on the patio? It's nice out tonight. Alex: Patio sounds perfect. It's not too crowded yet. They sit down. Waiter: Good evening. Welcome to Riverside Grill. My name's Jordan, and I'll be taking care of you tonight. Can I get you started with some drinks? Emily: Hi Jordan. Yes, please. I'll have an iced tea with lemon. Alex: And I'll go with a Coke. No ice, thanks. Waiter: Got it. Iced tea with lemon and a Coke, no ice. Here are your menus. We have some specials tonight. The grilled salmon with herbs is really popular. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order. Alex: Thanks. Emily: The salmon does sound good. What are you thinking of getting? Alex: Definitely the classic cheeseburger with fries. It's their signature dish. You can't go wrong with it. What about you? Emily: I'm torn between the chicken Caesar salad and the pasta primavera. I'm trying to eat a bit healthier these days. Alex: The salad is huge here, super fresh. But the pasta is creamy and delicious if you're in the mood for something more indulgent. Emily: You're not helping. I think I'll go with the salad. Gotta stick to my goals. Waiter returns. Waiter: Are you ready to order, or do you need a little more time? Alex: We're ready. I'll have the cheeseburger, medium well, with everything on it. And fries on the side. Waiter: Perfect. And for you? Emily: I'll go with the chicken Caesar salad, please. Dressing on the side, if that's okay. Waiter: No problem at all. Anything else? Appetizers maybe. Our onion rings are a crowd favorite. Alex: Ooh, tempting. Should we share some? Emily: Yeah, let's do it. Onion rings to share. Waiter: Great choice. I'll get that started for you. Anything else I can bring? Emily: That's all for now. Thanks. Alex: Yeah, thank you. Waiter: You're welcome. It should be out soon. Enjoy. Emily: This is nice. We haven't had a proper dinner out in ages. How's everything going with you lately? Alex: Pretty good. Work's steady, and I finally started that online course I was talking about. Learning graphic design. It's fun so far. Emily: That's awesome. You've always been creative. I'm jealous. I need to find a new hobby. Maybe yoga or something relaxing. Alex: Yoga's great for stress. There's a studio near my place that has beginner classes. We could go together sometime. Emily: I'd love that. Let's plan it. Food arrives. Waiter: Here we go. Onion rings to start, cheeseburger with fries, and the chicken Caesar salad, dressing on the side. Careful, the plates are hot. Can I get you anything else? Ketchup, extra napkins. Alex: Ketchup would be great, thanks. Emily: This looks delicious. Thank you. Waiter: Enjoy your meal. Emily: Wow, this salad is huge. Perfect amount of chicken. How's the burger? Alex: Incredible, as always. Want a bite? Emily: Maybe just a tiny one. Okay, You're right, it's amazing. Alex. Told you. These onion rings are crispy too. Best I've had in a while. Emily. Totally. We need to come here more often. Alex. For sure. Next time, let's bring the whole group. Emily. Good idea. Oh, before I forget, do you have any plans for the holidays coming up? Alex. Not much. Just family stuff. Probably a quiet one. You? Emily. Same. My parents are visiting, so it'll be nice and low-key. Lots of home-cooked meals. Alex. Lucky you. Home-cooked beats restaurant food any day, most days, anyway. Emily. Haha, true. After finishing. Alex. I'm stuffed. That hit the spot. Emily. Same here. Ready for the check. Waiter. How was everything? Emily. Fantastic, thank you. Can we get the check, please? Waiter. Sure thing. Would you like it together or separate? Alex. Together is fine. Waiter. Here you go. No rush. Take your time. Emily. Thanks so much. Great service. Alex. Yeah, appreciate it. Emily. This was fun. We need to do it more often. Alex. Absolutely. Let's head out. Emily. Yep. Thanks again for tonight. Alex. Anytime. Talk soon.